Waffles. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 teaspoons baking powder, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 2 eggs, 1/2 cups warm milk, 1/3 cup butter, melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Directions. Step 1. In a large bowl, mix together flour, salt, baking powder and sugar, set aside. Preheat waffle iron to desired temperature. Step 2. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs. Stir in the milk, butter and vanilla. Pour the milk mixture into the flour mixture, beat until blended. Step 3. Ladle the batter into a preheated waffle iron. Cook the waffles until golden and crisp. Serve immediately.